Hi, I'm Marty Johnson, and this is Zebra Technologies, allowing our customers to see more and do more. We have recently introduced two new products targeted to the manufacturing and transportation logistics markets. The QLN 420 and the 105 SL Plus are designed to produce 4-inch wide labels for a variety of applications in those markets, including warehousing, shipping, receiving, product labels, and others. Retailers can even use these products within their distribution centers and also to print price labels and shelf labels. First, I'd like to introduce you to the QLN 420, which is our next generation 4-inch wide mobile label printer. Our new QLN 420 was designed for ease of use and for ease of management. I wanted to point out a few things related to the ease of use of the printer. First, we've increased the size of the display and brightened the background to make it easier to see, easier to use. We also have 5-way navigation keys, which allows for more intuitive use of the printer by the user. We also have 2 soft keys, which allows the user to create custom applications based upon their specific needs. We have also done several things on the QLN 420 to make it easy to manage. For example, we've created a smart battery, and the smart battery has intelligence built into it so that it can not only monitor the charge of the battery, but also the life cycle of the battery. So as the battery is used throughout its daily life, the battery starts degrading. And as we reach certain thresholds with regards to the life of the battery, we can send information up to the network through an Ethernet connection and also display information on the LCD display to indicate the current life of the battery. We knew the QLN 420 was going to be used in very harsh environments, so we designed it to resist drops up to 6 foot in distance, as well as we have a very rugged IP rating to resist dust and moisture. We've also increased the print speed of the QLN 420 to 4 inches per second. And we also added a new feature, an NFC tag, or a near field communication tag, which will allow the user to take NFC-enabled devices like smartphones and tablets, tap those devices to the printer, and automatically associate the handheld or the tablet to the printer from a Bluetooth perspective. In addition, that NFC tag can be used to pull up informational videos on how to use the printer and how to troubleshoot the printer in the event of some type of issue that the user experiences. Next, I'd like to introduce you to our new 105 SL Plus, which is an enhanced version of our previous generation 105 SL. This industrial-grade printer is designed to produce labels up to 4 inches wide. We have transformed the 105 SL printer into a high-performance printer by taking the best of the previous generation 105 SL and combining it with the best of the XI platform, making it a high-performance printer. So we can give our customers the high performance that they need, but not paying for the features that they don't need. We have retained the all-metal design of the 105 SL to give those customers who need ruggedness and durability the reliability that they need in continuous printing. We have improved the print quality of the 105 SL Plus by taking a technology from the XI line called E-Cubed that provides just the right amount of heat to the print head to ensure consistent print quality from the first label printed to the last label printed in a large print job or a long shift. We have also increased the print speed of the 105 SL Plus to enhance the productivity and efficiency of our customers, printing up to 12 inches per second. We've also increased the size and the brightness of the LCD display and enhanced the key set to allow for a more intuitive user interaction between the end user and the printer. This can also display a variety of languages for global applications. We've also modified some of the internal functions of the printer. We removed the J-hook spindle and replaced it with a more favorable XI spindle to make it easier to load. This was based upon some customer feedback we received throughout the life of the 105 SL. We've also added Ethernet connectivity standard with the unit, so it now comes with serial, USB, parallel, and Ethernet connectivity. In addition, we can also have wireless LAN support, so we have a variety of communications options to fit within a wide range of our customers' communications environments. To learn more about Zebra's new QLN 420 or 105 SL Plus printers, you can go to www.zebra.com or contact a Zebra sales representative or one of our resellers.